Hey, what up, guys? Today I traded with a lot of indecision, and it cost me a really good day. And so, in this recap, I'm just going to be my own critic here, and I'm going to talk about the trades I did take, but more so, I'm going to talk about the trades that I didn't take that I knew I should have, that I was watching in the moment and let go without me. Okay, so the first one was a parabolic reversal on NIO, and I don't believe this is worth the risk. And to explain why, I'm going to talk about this parabolic reversal right here. Okay, so I'm going to blow up the 5-minute chart. All right, so we're on the third 5-minute candle down here. Third 5-minute candle, super extended from the 9 on the 5. Okay, very large volume, and it's sold off with some indecision and some buying wicks. Right, so this isn't just one-way price action. You have indecision, you have small wick candle, and you have a nice hammer to go off of. It's perfect. It's freaking perfect. Okay, for me, my stop loss, if I did take it, I think the stop loss at the bottom of this wick or the center of this wick is fine. And I just want to talk about the way this thing bought up. Okay, so if you did take this entry, I think the best way to manage it is literally don't freaking touch it. Okay, because the market is giving so much confirmation of the bullish move upward. Okay, so we have a large body, a large volume. Don't partial, right? Large body, large volume. Awesome. Good. Just more and more signs of that the bulls are completely in control. Again and again. I think this selling wick is kind of the first sign that, okay, there is selling pressure. Okay, and here this inverted hammer I think is the first very clear sign that, okay, like there's a little bit of indecision going on at this level. All right, so I think if you did take this trade, the most reasonable place to partial, probably a pretty heavy percent of your position, is actually right here, because this is really the first sign of indecision, of like the bears are interested now. Okay, but anywhere around here, I think it's worth just not touching, just being patient, keeping your hands off the keyboard. Okay, and so that's where I end up taking my my parabolic reversal. And the reason why I took this, part of it I think was frustrated because I missed this one. All right, but I'm taking it for a parabolic reversal, and the first real sign of indecision, just not likely to work out. Not likely to work out. Okay, so I feel like that one was a mistake and not really worth the risk. Although the setup was there, I feel like the way it bought up, it was not worth the risk. But I feel like the way this one sold off, it definitely was worth the risk. Okay, that was NIO. Okay, next was NKLA, and I took another parabolic reversal here. I took another one, and this was on actually the 4th-minute candle. Actually, the 4th-minute candle, and the reason why I took it was because I was seeing a lot of selling pressure. So we see an increase in volume. Big selling wick right here. Also a very nice hanging man. It's rare that you see those with such a long wick. So this is saying big time selling pressure, right? Price got, the short selling was absorbed. It did buy back up, but price got pushed down quite a bit. And it came back up and it threw indecision off large volume. Okay, so I decided to go short with a tight stop. Partial, after this partial, I moved my stop to break even. I moved it back up over 17 because I felt like we were going to go. But after this candle with low volume, I feel like there really wasn't that much bearish sentiment. Probably should have gotten all out here. Okay, I got all out at break even. And then this is where I got a little frustrated with myself. So I was watching this for like a minute. And the way it bought up on such weak volume, and then it threw an inverted hammer off large volume. Okay, so this is a double top, a beautiful double top that I feel like is absolutely worth the risk, but I didn't take it. I was indecisive. I didn't take it. Okay, and it would have turned out to be a great move. Okay, my next trade, I decided to go long here, and part of this was because SPY was bouncing, and because of this candle, it sold off really weakly. I like this hammer, high volume. Okay, and we're slowly creeping upwards. Okay, but look at this volume. It's like almost nothing. The highest volume candle is associated with an inverted hammer. Okay, and so after this guy, I was ready to get out. The price started creeping up, but there was really no orders going through the tape. So in my opinion, that's market makers sort of manipulating price here. So we go up, and then it throws indecision. Okay, and at this point in my head, I'm thinking to myself, dude, get all out and freaking take this to the short side. The volume is perfect. If you want to call it a triple top, whatever. But my VPA read, I feel like, is very, very clear. So I think this entry was great for a short entry. And you have the ability to limit risk right here. But I didn't take it. So I was indecisive. I paid the price today. All right, so that's my recap. I hope you guys had a good day. Thanks.